Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how drawing Goku step by step for beginner. We start drawing two lines, like a cross. I always start drawing the left eyes, cause I'm the right. And after the left eyes, I'm gonna drawing the right one. For the nose is almost like a triangle. It's so easy, you only have to draw a triangle. For drawing Goku, you only have to use shape. In this case, the Goku face is a triangle. I use these two lines to have a reference. And look, this is almost a triangle. If you want, you can pause the video and pay more attention. Like I said before, the nose is a triangle and the mouth is really near to the nose. In this case, Goku is smiling. That looked perfect. Now the ears. The ears are really big in Dragon Ball characters. I don't know why, but that is a nice details, I guess. Now this point is where the hair grow up. Now drawing the eyebrows. And here pay attention about the lock of hair. Let's drawing two in that way. And 1, 2, and 3 here. Drawing this base to add the hair. I always use lines to drawing. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel and give me a nice like and comment below what anime do you want for the next video. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 lock of hairs. Add some details, and now it's time to the neck. Don't forget to draw in the muscle of the neck cause it's too important in Goku. Now the clothes. And after the clothes, it's time to add some details. In my case, I like to use lines to shadowing. I love details. I guess that is the most funny and interesting part of the drawing. And now guys, this award, Goku drawing step by step. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.